How am I just now hearing about this?
It's called the hiccup. It's designed by a doctor who published research about it in the whole 9 yards. Every time I've ever had the hiccups, my wife, who gets the hiccups a lot, we keep one of these in the medicine closet, and you get it, drink through it like a straw, just like it looks. With water, it works. I promise you, it works.
So this is called the hiccup straw, and let me show you how it works. It has this small hole right here on the bottom so that when you put it in the water and drink through it, it creates just enough pressure to stop spasms in your diaphragm that cause hiccups. And when I seen this, I had to buy it right away because I get the hiccups all the time. And they just launched these on the TikTok shop, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link right down below.